This is Nikum and welcome to very important session for IB-ACIO selection process 2021. So basically on your demand I am putting this video for you that what is the selection procedure for your 2000 vacancies which is released by the IB yesterday, right? So already one announcement is there for you before going to the discussion. That form is already started in the morning. I uploaded the video that how to fill the form. Just watch the video and then go to the application process. Okay, all the links are in the description, so just click on that. Okay, so this was the quick info. Now about this, that if you can extract the information from the chart, then yes, you are very smart that if you are getting the chart. But don't worry, we will discuss about this chart in very much detail and interesting process of IB as always. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let's start our video and let's discuss your journey to 2000 vacancies. Okay, so this is the process for your IB. Okay, so first you will have to give tier 1 as you know, and this is your basically MCQ test. Okay, this is just general idea about your procedure. All the things in detail we will discuss in the strategy video. Okay, so don't worry about that, but this is just general idea. So basically tier 1 is there. Okay, whatever the number of candidates fill the form till the 9th of Jan, all candidates can give tier 1. Okay, now the candidate moving to tier 2 are like this. So for general it is 9890 candidates, OBC 4170, EWS, SC, ST. Okay, so only this much of candidates will move to tier 2. Okay, and then based on the combined performance, okay, just observe this, based on the combined performance, that is tier 1 and tier 2, those candidates who are going to tier 3 are this candidate. Okay, first like the video compulsory, and then this final candidates based on performance in tier 1, tier 2 will go to tier 3. Okay, tier 2 will be your descriptive test. Tier 2 will be your descriptive. So basically first they will check your speed here in MCQ test, then they will check your description, how you are presenting yourself, okay, through the descriptive test, and then in the tier 3 you will face interview. Okay, so based on this number, these are the candidates who will reach to tier 3 based on tier 1 and tier 2. Okay, and join the Telegram group. Okay, already Telegram group link is in the description, so compulsory join that. Now about this candidates, that is 4945, and this candidate combined marks in each of the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Okay, based on that they will move to medical test and document verification. So you in last was basically you have to perform in each test. It is not like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 you perform best in tier 3, that is the interview and you get the selection. No, addition of tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and then you will move further. Okay, so filtration process will be there here, and then you will move to the medical and DV, document verification, and then again here you will get the filtration process, and finally we will get our 2000 candidates, those who will secure ACIO post. So this is the long process of your IB. Okay, so in short, what you understand from this, that you have to perform best, nothing, no option, no, it is nothing like that. Okay, and also let me tell you one thing, that it is not like if you score 30 or 45 marks then you will move to tier 2, tier 3. Okay, that days are gone now. You have to score very best mark in the merit list, and then only you will move like this, which I showed you. Okay, so get ready to fight now, and yes, I will back with the strategy video. Okay, those who are very serious for this, and yes, vacancies are there, chances are there as you can see, and we will make it for sure. Okay, so just be serious, join Telegram group, and also follow each and everything that I am posting for IB recruitment 2020. Any query, any doubt, just comment down below. Okay, and if you have any query in the form also, don't just directly go and fill the form. First comment, I will definitely reply you, and then you can fill the form. Okay, so get ready now. I hope that you are excited about the preparation journey for IB-ACIO 2021, and this is the dedicated guidance for selection of IB-ACIO. So let's see you in the next video of strategy video basically now. Okay, so all the best.